Recently, it was time for me to renew my automobile insurance. And I had been with Geico for several years, and actually, I was kind of happy with them. I had no reason to use a claim, thank goodness. But I realized I didn't know my agent, didn't have an agent, and there was not a local Geico building here in town. And I really believe it's important to establish relationships in my own town here. So I live in Saraland, Alabama, and I wanted to find an agent here in Saraland that I can um, insure my automobiles with. Well, there was this one guy, Jeff Kahn, and I'd seen him everywhere around town, and I knew he worked with State Farm. And I knew he was a real good guy. I knew, he was coaching Little League. Um, he was heavily involved with the Chamber of Commerce, with the Lions Club, and he's a real big supporter of the local high school, as well as the University of South Alabama. I also knew I could drive down to his office here in Saraland. He's down at the corner of Highway 158, Industrial Boulevard, and Celeste Road. Excuse me, and Highway 43. He's at the corner of Highway 158 and Highway 43. So right there on the corner, I decided to drive down to his office, and it's right across the street from McDonald's and Hardee's down at the corner there. So I went inside his office, and I said, Jeff, if you can give me a good quote for my insurance, if you can beat Geico, I'll switch and be with you. I'd like to have a local agent here. He said no problem. We ran the numbers, and guess what? Boom, no more Geico. So now I'm with State Farm, and if you're looking for insurance, give Jeff a call at 251-679-3699, or you can find him on the internet at yourinsurancegyy.net. I'm glad I switched.